Welcome to our introduction to AutoCAD, a powerful tool for design and drafting. AutoCAD is a commercial computer-aided design, or CAD, software application. It's used by professionals to create precise 2D drawings and 3D models.
Here are some key features that make AutoCAD a valuable tool for professionals worldwide.
AutoCAD provides an extensive set of tools for 2D drafting and annotation, ensuring high precision in drawings and documentation. It also offers robust 3D modeling and visualization capabilities, allowing users to build and present complex objects and environments. Users can customize AutoCAD with various programming interfaces, or APIs, to tailor the software to specific workflows and needs. AutoCAD is widely used across numerous fields. Let's look at the primary industries that rely on this software. In architecture and construction, AutoCAD is essential for creating precise blueprints, detailed floor plans, and structural drawings for buildings and infrastructure. Mechanical engineers use AutoCAD for designing product parts, complex assemblies, and generating the necessary documentation for manufacturing. Civil engineering utilizes AutoCAD for planning infrastructure projects, designing site layouts, and preparing mapping data. To illustrate the impact of AutoCAD, here are a few real-world applications of the software. You'll often see AutoCAD used to produce the highly accurate floor plans and blueprints required for any construction or renovation project. From consumer electronics to automotive parts, AutoCAD helps designers create the precise schematics needed for mass production. Understanding the file types is important when working with AutoCAD projects. The primary file formats are DWG for native drawing files and DXF for interoperability with other software. DWT files are drawing templates used to ensure consistency by saving standard settings and elements for future projects.
AutoCAD remains a vital part of modern design and engineering, empowering professionals to create, visualize, and innovate with incredible precision and efficiency. Subscribe to our channel for more tech videos like this.